Hey there, everyone! I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into a topic that is not only significant but also highly relevant in our digital age, the FTC versus Meta, the antitrust battle over WhatsApp and Instagram. This is a hot topic, so let's dive right in. So, let's set the stage. The long-awaited antitrust trial between Meta, the parent company of Facebook, and the Federal Trade Commission kicked off just recently on April 14th. Imagine the buzz around this. We're talking about a trial that's expected to last about 2 months. Now, why is this important? Because it's not just about two companies, it's about the very fabric of competition in the tech industry. Now, I bet you're wondering, what's at stake here? Well, the D.C. District Court Chief Judge, Judge Boasberg, is presiding over this case, which aims to determine whether Meta illegally monopolized the market for personal social networking services by acquiring Instagram and WhatsApp. Can you feel the intensity? Let's rewind a bit and look at how we got here. The FTC first brought this case to the table back in late 2020. Initially, it was thrown out by a judge, but the government came back swinging with a beefed-up version of their argument. They really highlighted why they believe that Meta holds too much power in the social networking space. This new phase of the trial is crucial because the judge is tasked with determining if Meta has indeed broken any antitrust laws. What do you think will happen? Have you ever felt that one company controls too much in social media? Imagine if Judge Boasberg finds in favor of the FTC. If that happens, he'll need to figure out how to remedy the situation. The FTC is pushing for big changes, specifically asking for Instagram and WhatsApp to be spun off from Meta. That's a huge move! Are you feeling the suspense? This trial is part of a larger wave, with this being the third major antitrust case to arise in the United States against big tech recently. Let's not forget the two separate cases from the Justice Department aimed at Google regarding its search and advertising tech businesses. It's a thrilling time to be watching how these giant corporations are being challenged legally. If you thought antitrust laws were dull, think again. This is a critical moment that could reshape how we interact on social media. How do you feel about the idea of Instagram and WhatsApp being independent from Meta? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your views matter! Okay, so, why should you care about this trial? Well, the outcome could impact how we use these platforms every day. It might just alter the features we love or even the fees we pay. Plus, it raises urgent questions about privacy, competition, and whether a few companies should dominate so much of our online experiences. Isn't that something worth discussing? Let's consider the implications. If the FTC wins and Meta has to spin off WhatsApp and Instagram, what could that mean for innovation? More competition could lead to new features, better privacy policies, and consumer empowerment. But on the flip side, there might be chaos and adjustment pains as these platforms redefine themselves. What do you think would happen? I'd love to hear your predictions. Remember, this is your chance to stay informed about how major corporate actions can ripple out to affect everyday users. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the FTC v Meta, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button for more engaging content like this. You wouldn't want to miss any updates on this trial, trust me. As we wrap up, let's ponder this. What would a world look like where Instagram and WhatsApp are independent entities? Would that shake things up in the social media landscape? Let your imagination run wild and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see what fascinating discussions this trial sparks.